P0411. Secondary air injection system, incorrect flow detected. The secondary air injection system is designed to help reduce emissions during a cold start. It works by pumping fresh air into the exhaust system, so any unburned fuel in the exhaust can finish burning in the catalytic converter. The engine computer usually runs this system right after the engine starts. It turns on an air pump and opens a valve that allows fresh air to flow into the exhaust. The oxygen sensors should detect that extra air and report a lean condition. If the computer commands the system on but doesn't see the change it expects from the oxygen sensors, it sets the P0411 code for incorrect flow. If you're troubleshooting this code, there are a few common things to check. First, inspect the secondary air pump itself. This pump is often located in the engine bay or sometimes lower in the vehicle. Make sure the pump is actually running during a cold start. If the pump doesn't turn on, it may have failed or it may not be receiving power. Second, check the air pump relay and fuse. If the fuse is blown or the relay has failed, the pump may not operate at all. Third, inspect the hoses and air lines connected to the system. Cracked, disconnected, or blocked hoses can prevent air from reaching the exhaust system. Fourth, check the air injection control valve, sometimes called a diverter valve or check valve. This valve allows air to flow into the exhaust when the system is active. If the valve is stuck closed or clogged with carbon buildup, airflow may be restricted. Fifth, look for moisture or water damage in the air pump. On some vehicles, condensation can build up in the system and damage the pump over time. Sixth, inspect the wiring and connectors going to the air pump and control valves. Damaged wiring, loose connectors, or corrosion can prevent the system from operating properly. A good general order when diagnosing P0411 would be: verify the air pump runs during a cold start, check the fuse and relay, inspect the hoses and air lines, test the air injection control valve, inspect for moisture damage, and check the wiring and connectors. Most of the time, this code ends up being caused by a failed air pump, blocked air passages, or a stuck air injection valve. That's pretty much it for this one.